The Trump fraud trial is nearing its end in a lower Manhattan courthouse. More than 10 weeks of testimony wrapped on Wednesday, with a verdict expected in a month. 4 hours after testimony ended, someone set a small fire outside the judge's robing room. 4 hours after testimony, wrapped in the civil fraud trial against Donald Trump and the Trump Organization Wednesday, the lower Manhattan courthouse was evacuated after someone set papers on fire and then used multiple fire extinguishers on the same floor as the judge's robing room. The judge in the case, New York Supreme Court Justice Arthur Engoron, was in his robing room when he heard shouting on the floor at around 4:15 p.m. Wednesday. He was safely escorted out of the courthouse. The incident resulted in 1 arrest and minor injuries to responding court officers. By Thursday, court officials and law enforcement have found no link between the attempted arson and the Trump trial. 2 courthouse officials told Business Insider on Wednesday that the evacuation was prompted by a man creating a small fire by igniting paperwork and then setting off 2 or more fire extinguishers. The man, who was not a courthouse employee, was immediately taken into custody by court officers, they said. Fire and police personnel quickly responded to the incident. There were no serious injuries. 2 court officers, including a sergeant, were taken to a hospital for observation, and 14 other court officers were treated at the scene, according to Alfred Baker, a state court system spokesperson.